You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this brand name, the name of this medication. The name of the molecule itself is Adapelene. Adapelene with a stress on the da syllable. Adapelene. Now the brand name itself is pronounced as Differin. Differin. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.